Hi, this is Keith with FOL-DA-TANK. Today I'm here in our lacing department where we have two 4,000 gallon tanks. A question we commonly get is what is the best way to fold up a FOL-DA-TANK so it is as compact as possible. Ideally you want to end up with a tank that's about 8 inches wide. So first I'm going to show you what you don't want to do. I'm going to come over here to what we call our brake side. These are the straights. What you don't want to do is get in a hurry and simply start pushing the tank together. Go to the other side, do the same thing. You're going to end up with a tank that's all bunched up. The liner isn't going to be evenly distributed and it's going to be way too wide. In a lot of cases you're trying to fit these tanks into a compartment or on a rack and it just can't be more than, let's say, 10 inches wide. Ideally, once again, 8 inches. So now I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. So what you want to do is work in slowly, pulling the material up. As you go, make sure you're getting it to evenly fold against the frame as you're bringing it in. As you can see, I'm pulling it up, making sure it's not getting jammed underneath the frame. And now I'm going to go around to the other side and do the same thing. So now I'm on the other side and I started closing this side of the tank. And one of the keys, as you're going along this straight side of the tank, once again, this is considered the brake. We have handles on the floor that you're going to want to reach down and continue to pull up on. That's really the key. You don't want the floor to all bunch up on the bottom, then your tank's going to be a lot wider than you want it to be. So now I'm ready to fold this side of the tank, and you can see I have a tape measure here in my pocket. You can see I'm going to be about 9 inches wide, and I'll just work my way down the rest of the tank doing the same thing, sealing it up. So now here's the test. We have it folded up. Once again, I really want you to see this is the floor of the tank up here by the pinch guards. You've got to be pulling the floor up as you go, and you need to do that evenly the entire length. Now if I pull it together, I'm going to maybe put a rope on it or a bungee of some sort. You can see I'm actually a little less than 8.5 inches when compressed. The same is going to be true down here out at the end. You can see I'm just about at 7 inches. So that is the correct way to fold up a tank to keep it as compact as possible. Thanks for watching.